We are at Ahmedabad airport, hoping to fly. No, we're not hoping. We're definitely going to fly to Bengaluru, and stopped here. We finally made it through the security check. So apparently men and women go different directions. I didn't know that. I just went with Tim, and then he said, I think you were supposed to go that way. So made it to the women's side, and the guard shouted out instructions about 3 times, probably in Gujarati, and then he looked at me and said, understand? I'm like, no. So he did tell me what to do, and then we got through the security check, packed all our stuff, and there's this lovely little display. They're just playing, now bring us some figgy pudding. And sadly, the bakery is closed. Doesn't that look appealing? We need it. A gourmet bakery. That would have been fun. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be filming as we walk through here. There are a lot of security officers, or I can't tell if they're security or military, but we encountered them when we were trying to get through security. We made it through the terminal. Oh look, season's greetings, wishing that you be blessed with gifts of love, peace and happiness this Christmas. One nation, billion celebrations. India just celebrates all the gods, no matter what. So we've come to the food court. There is a Subway here. A roasty. A perfumery. Renee, I have no idea what that is. Oh, it looks like cosmetics. Drinking water and a washroom down there, and a KFC. Baker Street, I don't know what that is. Nashto, well that's a pure vegetarian. And the lounge is down there. I'm not sure if we get to go to the lounge or not. Tim thinks his card may get us in. Oh, here's the drinking water. It's water fountains. I bet they have an interesting menu. I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to see it though. Burger meals, a veg zinger meal, a classic zinger meal, a tandoori zinger meal, tandoori zinger box. You see, there's a great crowd of people everywhere we go. I'm not sure if I can zoom in enough for you to see, but we'll give it a shot. Chicken travel meals, smart travel meal, ultimate travel meal, regular travel meal with Pepsi, biryani meals, okay, I have no idea if this is all chicken. I guess not, because one of them I think I saw said it was vegetarian. So the airport, we can scan to register for a contest, the Billion Celebrations contest. We can shop and win. Shop at the airports and stand to win stand a chance to win exciting prizes. International holiday for a family of 4, a Royal Enfield bike, and 6 smartphones available. Wow. Good prizes. Our most recent adventure is Tim buying food at KFC. hot and delicious. No, crunchy delicious. And on the back of the guy's t-shirts it said finger licking good. Oh, Tim's gotten a chicken roll and some fries and some presumably Pepsi or some sort of soda and all sorts of ketchup. There's Biba tomato ketchup and Remica tomato ketchup. This is chicken roll. It looks spicy. Waiting for the verdict.
Spicy but not bad.
Okay, spicy but not bad. That's good. We made it onto the plane. Everything went very smoothly. The boarding system was pretty much the same as ours. We boarded in zones, except that zone 4, they board from the back of the plane, so we were zone 3 and the first ones to get on were zone 4. So we're seated comfortably, well sort of, seats aren't very big, but apparently you buy your seat. So that's the way it's done, you buy your seat. The big seats were expensive, so I was cheap and I didn't buy them. We've got cheap seats. Well, next stop, Bangalore. We're now at the Royal Serenity Hotel in Bangalore. I did not film this when I got in last night because it was around 2:30 in the morning and I was pretty tired. So you're going to have to excuse the mess, please. If you don't like the mess, you should just tune out now. But I've already had time to dump my stuff everywhere. So I was standing with my back to the door. And when I come in, there's the TV on my left and a little ledge below it, which I've filled with my junk. We've been out shopping today and gotten some Christmas presents and a present for myself, some nice little earrings. My bag, we just brought a carry-on bag each, and yes, those are my shoes because my feet are pretty tired of walking around all day. So we've got a window out here, a closet. It did hang up my curtain for Sunday. And then here's my bed. Yes, this is just my night dress here, but I came in, it is like a queen size bed and it has this nice cover on it and it's all Christmassy. I've got just a little stand each side of the bed and a desk to work on, and here is the bathroom, the wash basin, toilet, traditional bucket and pitcher and shower, and that's it. That's all there is to it. Nothing fancy, but it will do the job. There you go. We're here for another couple of nights and then we'll be heading back to Ahmedabad to the courtyard, the Marriott courtyard, and that has just been our favorite hotel with just lovely people treating us so nicely, and facilities of course are nice. You know, Tim has a Marriott Bonvoy card and so he gets perks and I get to share in them, so that's been awesome. So thanks for joining me for this quick hotel tour. So it just occurred to me, I don't think I've filmed the Royal Serenity from the outside, but it's all decorated with lights. Just wanted to give you a quick look at Christmas cookies that Joyce made and shared with us. These are so pretty. They're very tasty. These are very soft. These are quite hard, but look at these, both sides. I don't know how she does that, but it was really impressive. And yes, they're on my Burger King napkin from last night.